Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to import JSON file in N8N. Alright, let's begin. First, head over to the official N8N website and log in with your credentials. Once logged in, navigate to the workflow editor. If you already have a project, open it. Otherwise, start a new one. Now, look at the top navigation bar inside the editor. You will see several options and icons. The one you need is represented by 3 dots, which indicate more options. Click on it to reveal additional features. From the menu that appears, select Import from File. After selecting the Import option, a prompt will appear asking you to choose a file from your local computer. Locate your JSON file and select it. Make sure the file follows N8N format guidelines so it can be processed correctly. Once uploaded, your JSON file becomes part of the workflow, enabling you to automate and connect different processes seamlessly. So that's basically how you can import JSON file in N8N. That's it for this video. Thanks.